Ibotta Cashback history can appear wrong when transactions have not fully updated, your account is not syncing correctly, or the app is showing information that does not match your recent activity. By the end, you'll know why your Ibotta Cashback history may look incorrect, what checks to complete first, and how to fix missing or inaccurate cashback records. Section 1 is understanding why Ibotta Cashback history changes. Ibotta tracks cashback activity through your account, so purchases, offers, and earnings need to be processed before they appear correctly in your history. If a purchase is missing, or the cashback amount looks different, start by checking that you are signed into the correct Ibotta account. Using a different email address or login method can make your cashback history appear incomplete because the activity may be connected to another account. Next, close the Ibotta app completely and reopen it. Refreshing the app allows it to reconnect and load the latest account information. Also check that your app is updated because older versions may not display account details correctly. Section 2 is checking your purchase and offer details. Open your Ibotta activity or earnings history and compare the information with your receipt and offer details. Check the store, purchase date, items submitted, and cashback amount shown in your account. Small differences can happen when an offer requirement is not completed, or when a transaction is still being reviewed. Review the offer rules before assuming the cashback amount is incorrect. Make sure the receipt was submitted through the correct process and that the qualifying items match the offer requirements. Avoid submitting the same receipt repeatedly because duplicate submissions can create confusion when tracking your cashback activity. Section 3 is contacting Ibotta support when your history still does not match. Before contacting support, collect the information related to the missing cashback. Include your account details, store name, purchase date, receipt information, and screenshots showing the incorrect cashback history. A clear support request gives Ibotta the details needed to review the transaction. Check your email notifications as well because Ibotta may send updates about receipt reviews, cashback status, or account activity. The key points are simple. Incorrect Ibotta cashback history is usually related to account syncing, offer requirements, or transaction updates. Checking your account, reviewing receipt details, and providing clear information to support can help resolve the issue. Your next step is opening Ibotta, checking your activity history, and comparing the listed cashback with your receipt and offer details. If this guide helped you fix Ibotta cashback history problems, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.